I want to show you something today because I genuinely think this app is one of the best things about using PU Prime. And I don't say that lightly. This is the full PU Prime app, and I'm going to take you through it right now. Let's go. Quick one before we dive in. Trading involves risk and is not suitable for everyone. Make sure you understand the risks before opening a live account. Nothing in this video is financial advice. Right, so this is the home screen, and honestly, the first thing that struck me about this app when I started using it was just how clean and how fast it is. Everything is right here. There's no mess, no confusion, there's no hunting around for what you need. It's all in front of you the moment you open it. Your watch list is live on the home screen, real-time prices, percentage changes, everything updating as the market moves. You can customize this completely to show exactly the pairs and instruments you trade. Forex, commodities, indices, metals, all filterable across the top tab, so you can drill straight into whatever you're focused on that session. I've mine set up exactly how I want it, and every time I open the app, I know immediately what the market is doing. That instant read is something I genuinely use every single day. And at the bottom, you've got the 5 main tabs, right? Home, trades, discover, info, and profile. Simple, intuitive, and everything is exactly where you would expect it to be. This is a seriously well built app. If you're serious about improving your trading results in 2026, it's time to stop relying on guesswork. Let me introduce you to signalpeak.io, a trading signal platform built around precision and structure, not random entries. With Signalpeak, you get real-time trading signals, clearly defined entry points, take profit and stop loss levels, plus structured market analysis that actually explains the setup. There are also dedicated channels tailored to different trading styles, so you can follow what suits you best. Most importantly, everything is built around discipline and proper risk management because consistency always comes first. If you're still unsure, they offer a free trial so you can test the quality for yourself before committing. Don't chase the market. Trade with structure. Trade with confidence. Try signalpeak.io today. Now, let's get back to the video. Now tap Discover, and this is where PU Prime have genuinely done something special. 4 tabs across the top: copy trading, community, 24/7, and economic calendar. And each one of them is a full featured tool in its own right, all inside the same section of the app, all on your phone. Copy trading first. The full copy trading platform is right here. So browse providers by category: top traders, highest annual return, low risk and stable return, high win rate, most copied. Filter by rating across the full provider list. So view performance, check track records, manage your copy positions, all of it from your phone. I cannot overstate how useful this is. Whether I'm at my desk or away from it, I can check on my copy trades. So view what my providers are doing and make decisions in real time. That kind of access used to require a desktop. Now it's in my pocket. The community tab is one of my favorite things about this app. Real traders, real analysis, posted in real time. I check this regularly to see what the community is saying about pairs I'm watching. It adds a whole extra layer of perspective to my own analysis, and it's right there alongside everything else. There's no separate app, no separate login, just tap and you're in. The 24/7 tab gives you direct access to PU Prime's extended market products, 24/7 Gold, and the extended US stock trading options. These are incredible features on their own, and the fact that they're accessible on the app makes them even better. A setup develops on Gold on a Saturday morning, and you can act on it from wherever you are. That kind of flexibility is genuinely game changing for how I approach the markets. And the economic calendar built right into the app. This is something I use every single week, and having it here means the entire Sunday prep happens in one place. High impact events, affected pairs, scheduled times, all of it without leaving PU Prime. I used to have 3 or 4 different tabs open to do what I can now do entirely inside this app. Quickly tap trades, and this is where you manage everything that's live. Your open positions, your audit history, all of it tracked and displayed cleanly. I can check on a trade I've running, manage it, close it, or adjust it all from here. It's fast, it's clear, and it does everything you need without any friction. One app, right? Live prices, copy trading, community, extended market access, economic calendar, full trade management, everything in one place, and it works brilliantly. I genuinely use this every single day, and it's made staying on top of the market so much easier. If you're not on PU Prime yet, the link is in the description. Go and download the app and see for yourself. Subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.